Hello everyone, good morning. I am Deepesh, an student of the American, and he is my colleague, and we are going to discuss something about his personal life and some experience. So, tell me something about yourself.
My name is Zia Ahmed and I am from Masoli and I am here to learn English.
Okay. You said your name is Jia Ahmed. Do you know the meaning of your name? Can you go for it?
Uh, Zia means light of moon and full of brightness.
So you have a very good meaning of your name. That's Jia. So tell me something about your family, your background, what you have done in your graduation, or what you are doing in your schooling or studying.
My father name is Abdul Aziz and he is a shopkeeper and my mother is a housewife and my family is a joint family and I have three brothers and one sister and my family has 13 members now and I forgot what are you saying.
I said, tell me something about your educational qualifications.
I have done my schooling from Delight Public School, Masoli Barabanki, and after that I went to the Masoli Chauraha and named the school Sarvajanik Shikshan Sansthan. I have done intermediate, and after that I am going to the higher studies. So I took admission in a college, and where I get. And where I got I have done my graduation and now I am pursuing here because I want to learn English to speak fluently.
Okay, so what is your plan in future? What will you want to become? Like you said that you are graduating, and what will you do in future after 2 or 3 years when you completed your graduation?
Firstly, I want to learn English, and then I'm going to the abroad and earning money, and then I came back to start a business in my hometown. That's why I am learning English.
Okay, so you are going abroad. So can you please tell me which country do you have selected to go abroad for earning money?
In my opinion, I want to go to the UAE because there is my brother who supports me uh, and show me the best way of life to achieve something, and many other country like Malta or something else where I get a high salary, then I will go for it.
So you are saying you are going to abroad, and there are a lot of things going in the world. There are like Russia and Ukraine war. So do you think that if you go to UAE, this is a safe country or not?
UAE is the safest country in the world because uh, their law is very strict. If you steal something, then they will cut your hair, then they will cut your hand in front of a road, and they will provide you lifetime food and some what do you want, they will provide, but they will cut your hand if you steal something.
Okay, so now I'm going to ask you that if you encounter any problems in your life, like something in your family or in education, or you are going to abroad, you will face many problems in life. So how would you tackle, and how have you been tackled that problems have been going in your life, if you had any problems in past years, and how will you tackle if any problem come to you in upcoming years?
If any problem comes, then my family also supports me, and motivate me to do best thing. And my brother is very supportive for me, because if every problem comes in my life, then he will stand before me and he will protect me for the problems and all things, like uh, when I got sick, injured, and he will protect me at any cost, and he will says to me that if you have any problem, then you will tell me first and then tell the family members.
That's a very supportive brother you have got. And by the way, what's your brother's name and what he is doing right now?
My brother name is Mujib Ahmed and he is a professional driver.
Okay. That's nice. So you said that you come from Masoli. Do you know anything about Masoli? What is famous for, and what is any specific thing about that?
Masoli has many specific things, but I prefer to eat Lakshmi ka Chandrakala and Midway restaurant, where you can get food at better price or delicious taste. If you want to add some like chicken chilli, paneer, and also butter, if you want to eat, then you will go Masoli and they will provide you a very delicious food at very low cost.
So Zia, you said Masoli is a very good taste of foods. So would you please tell me what is your favorite food, and do you know how to cook it?
My favorite food is chicken chilli and butter naan with jeera rice. But I don't. But I don't have to cook food because I don't try in my life to make food, something like that.
So if you are alone in family, so you don't know how to cook food for something for yourself.
Yeah, if I face this problem, then I will get outside and bring food from hotels, because this is the main weakness of me, because I don't have any cooking ideas and strategies.
Okay, that's nice. Uh, so let's wrap up. So thank you for the conversation and have a nice day.
It's my pleasure to have talking with you, friend.